Hey everybody, Josh Cavalier here with Lodestone. Today we're going to be creating an interactive video in Storyline 2. Let's jump in. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Project. Let's save our work. And we'll simply just save this out as Interactive Video. All right, I'm going to double click on our slide. Time to add some video. Let's go to the insert ribbon. Video from file. There's Chef Tim. Now I'm going to bring him on in. Now, one of the keys to interactive video is understanding exactly what type of interactions you want to build. This could be additional information as the video is playing. You can have an interaction. You can have a branch. You can link to a document. It's really up to you. Now today what we're going to do is show how to stop the video, bring up a layer, shut that layer down, and then continue the video. The first thing we need to do is determine when do we want to stop the video. Today I want to stop the video around 10 seconds. I'll go down to the timeline, right click at 10 seconds, and create cue point at playhead. You can see, poking behind there, there's a little cue point. It says number 1 on it. That's great. That cue point is going to allow us to do all kinds of really cool things programmatically with Storyline and controlling this video. Next, we need some type of content to come up at 10 seconds. So I'm going to create a new layer. I'm just going to simply call this my content. We'll put a little message in here with the shape. Check out that glass. I'm going to insert another shape right there. And we'll just give a little bit of definition. Now, the other object that I'm going to place in here is going to be a button. And this button is going to allow the user to close the video and for the video to continue. So I'll go to Insert, Controls, Button. We'll add the button in here and simply type in the word Close. Really easy. Okay, great. We got our content here. Let's go back to the base layer. In Slide Layers panel, we'll go down and click on the base layer. All right, time to do some programming. So now I want to go in, and the first thing I need to do is pause my media. We'll go to the Triggers panel. We'll create a new trigger. I'd like to go in and pause my media. Chef Tim. But when do I want to do it? Well, we got that cue point, and we're going to say when the timeline reaches the cue point at 10 seconds. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and click OK. Now we need to bring up that layer. I'll add another trigger. I want to go ahead and show a layer, my content, when the timeline reaches the cue point, 10 seconds. Perfect. Now that's going to pop up. What's going to happen when they see the content? Well, we're going to go ahead and check out the glass, and when they're done, they're going to hit close. So everything is going to revolve around this close button right here. I'm going to select the close button. The first thing I'll need to do is go ahead and start the media back up. In the Triggers panel, with the button selected, I'll add a trigger. I'd like to play my media, Chef Tim, when the user clicks the button, and click OK. I need to close out of the layer. We'll create another trigger. Hide layer. This layer, so I'm hiding the content layer or hiding myself when they click the button. One final thing. In the Storyline environment, the user can click on the video to pause and play the video. We need to go ahead and limit that activity. In the content layer, I'm going to click on the Properties cog. In the base layer, I want to prevent the user from clicking on the base layer. And click OK. All right, let's take a look at our interaction. I'm going to select Preview, this slide.
Okay. So from the ownership piece, we are responsible for the day-to-day operations and event planning, community outreach.
There's our interaction. Again, if you plan properly, this could be anything that you want. It's just sitting on a slide layer in Storyline. You can go ahead and create your own custom questions in here. It could be really robust. Let's hit close.
So that's sort of the top level, if you will. The next level that I feel we have.
And there you go. So again, just to review, make sure that you go in and on your base layer, create a cue point, and that's simply by right-clicking, creating a cue point. You're going to add your triggers to pause the media, show a layer. On your layer, you're going to want to build any kind of interactions or interactivity here or information overlays. Make sure you select the close button, play that media, and hide the layer. And that's it. Interactive video in Storyline 2.